Hello, welcome. Question number 5 and 6 of BECE 2022 objective test question. We are revising the past question in preparation for the BECE July this year. We have to factorize completely x y minus xm minus my plus m squared. Then we solve the inequality 5x minus 7x minus 3 in a bracket less or equals to 9. So let's begin with the first one. This is on algebraic factorization of grouping method. So we group the first two. We can see there's a common factor, so we group it mn. So we group the first two and the last two. Then we find the common factors common to the two terms. So now I'll be having xy in a bracket with xm minus my minus m squared. You know, you are seeing positive here, but change to negative because of the bracket introduced in front of the negative sign. Remember that factorization is the opposite of expansion. So since we can expand this to go back to the factorization, it means negative 1 times positive my will give you negative my. Negative 1 times negative m squared will give you positive. So anytime you are introducing a bracket before a negative, the sign in the bracket must be changed. All right, let's look out for common factor, xx. So pick the x out, divide this by x. You will be left with only y. Divide mx by x. We have m minus. Looking out for a common factor, mm. So m taken out, dividing my, give us y. Dividing m squared, give us only m. So this is multiplied as one term. So a common factor is also spotted. So we pick that common factor. Then divide this term by the common factor. You will be left with only x minus divide all of this by the common factor. You will be left with only what? M. So this becomes the factorized completely version of this expression. All right. Here we are only going to first of all open that bracket. So 5x. Don't forget this negative 1 multiplying. So 5x minus 7x. Negative 1 times 7x. Negative 7x. Negative 1 times negative 3 give you positive 3. Less or equals to 9. So now you can see these ones are already grouped as like terms. So we transfer the 3 to the other side. So 5 minus 7 will give you minus 2x less or equals to 9 minus 3. Why minus 3? This is going in there to subtract. It's a positive 3. So when you cross the sign, it becomes negative. So minus 2x greater or equals to 6. That is 9 minus 3. We are looking for the x, which is still carrying an excess baggage. So we divide both sides. But if you are dividing by a negative, the inequality sign changes. The signs of the inequality changes, meaning minus 2x divided by minus 2 greater or equals to 6 divided by minus 2. So that this will cancel. X will be greater or equals to minus 3. We change the sign because if you are dividing by a negative, the direction of the inequality changes. All right. Or we can just say from here, we are, where are we? Here. We are going to send the whole of this to the other side and bring this to the other side, right? If I send all of this there, it becomes positive 2x. When I send this as a positive to the left, it becomes negative 6. So now we divide by the 2, which is positive now. I'll be having minus 3 greater or equals to x. Remember, the part that is open to the variable is the bigger part. So meaning negative 3 is less than what? X. Negative 3 is less or equals to x. That means x is greater. X is greater or equals to what? Negative 3. Do you get it? If negative 3 is less than x, that means x is greater. That is why we change. We can also check from the playlist the explanation, detailed explanation why the sign always changes when we divide by negative. Check it out on the topic, the playlist for linear inequality. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.